And then, kaya tayo may intentional na after service, meron tayong fellowship, kain ng bread, may talagang intentional loving with one another. Binibuild natin yung relationship slowly, intentionally. Kaya iba talaga ang attending church. Pag attending lang ng church, punta lang doon, makikinig ka lang ng word, then alis ka na. Ayaw mo ng human connection. Ino-omit na kagad natin yung loving one another. Intentionally yun. We made our choice not to build relationship. Church, when we build relationship, there will be pain sometimes. There will be disappointments. Pero doon, yung genuine transformation, magkakaroon din tayo ng love, magkakaroon tayo ng appreciation. Yayakapin natin bawat isa. We shake hands with one another. Hindi lang to ng peace be with you. Tapos, wala lang. Talagang binabati natin ng shalom. Shalom. Wholeness. Completeness. Right standing with the Lord. Right standing with one another. Kaya yun yung shalom.